Welcome to our tutorial on how to add emotions in Elevenlabs. 1. For speech-to-speech synthesis, it's quite easy to add emotions to the speech via the audio file. 2. Make sure to record a clear voice with clarity in pronunciation and punctuation without any background disturbances. 3. But for text-to-speech synthesis, it can get a little tricky. 4. One of the ways to add emotions is to add texts related to that emotion. 5. For example, haha and it's funny are phrases related to laughing or being happy. To add sad emotion, use terms or expressions related to it. Go through some books and search for different words and phrases related to various emotions. 6. You may also tweak the voice settings to make the AI voice more expressive. 7. Once your text is ready, click on Generate. 8. Multiple generates of the same text will provide different outputs. So if you didn't get it right on the first try, keep clicking on Generate until it provides a more suitable output. You've learned how to add emotions in Elevenlabs. Thank you for watching our guide.